Okay, let's continue on with our login page. In here, what we're gonna do is we wanna listen on the on login, and we wanna redirect to the dashboard. Here we're gonna import the navigate from Gatsby and call it in here. We wanna navigate to our app / dashboard, and I need to close the function in here. All right, so now let's push these changes to GitHub. And I already did that, so it's hosted in GitHub here. Let's go to Netlify in app.netlify.com and create a new site from GitHub. And let's copy the name from here and then search for it. This is the repository. For now, it's private, but once the course is out, it's going to be public. It detected that it's a Gatsby project, and it filled in all the necessary stuff that we need. So let's deploy the site. Let's go to site overview, site settings, and then here, let's change the name to something that we will remember. So maybe let's give it the name Jam or Sam. Oops, I kind of messed up here. I gave it a wrong name, but let's roll with it. I'm gonna fix it later on. So let's go here and then let's give it the name JAMstack Saas app and hit save. Cool. And this is gonna be our URL. One last thing, let's go to identity and enable the identity in here. Great. And now let's go back to our login and let's click login. It's asking us for the Netlify URL, so let's give it the Netlify URL and hit set sites URL. Cool. Now it's asking us to do like a sign up or a login, so we can actually enter a name. Let's give it an email and then some password. Let's hit sign up. It sent me an email to confirm my identity. Let me get that. So you will get an email similar to this one here. And let's hit confirm your email. And I am confirmed. So if I go back to my app in here and then go to login and hit login, you can see here I'm going into the dashboard page.